We are providing only 20% video as a part of promotion. For remaining 80%, that is 6 to 8 articles, current affairs video and general studies complete videos, please subscribe to our complete package. 1. Unraveling Mysteries of Coral Bleaching. GS Paper 3, Biodiversity Conservation, Marine Ecosystem. Source, www.thehindu.com web link. Why recently in news? Oceanographers are diving deep into the aquamarine seas of Lakshadweep to unravel the mysteries of marine life that thrive and with their deep-down colorful corals. A group of researchers from Kerala are looking at the science behind the defense mechanism of corals to resist coral bleaching, the biggest threat to their beautiful submarine world. The researchers are currently working on the role of mycosporine-like amino acids, MRA, in preventing coral bleaching in the reefs of Lakshadweep archipelago. What is coral bleaching? When corals are stressed by changes in conditions such as temperature, light, or nutrients, they expel the symbiotic algae living in their tissues, causing them to turn completely white. When a coral bleaches, it is not dead. Corals can survive a bleaching event, but they are under more stress and are subject to mortality. What are the causes for coral bleaching? Change in ocean temperature. Increased ocean temperature caused by climate change is the leading cause of coral bleaching. Runoff and pollution. Storm-generated precipitation can rapidly dilute ocean water and runoff carry pollutants. These can bleach near-shore corals. Overexposure to sunlight. When temperatures are high, high solar irradiance causes bleaching in shallow water corals. Extreme low tides. Exposure to the air during extreme low tides can cause bleaching in shallow corals. 2. Ensure future buildings in City Seismic Zone 4 Complaint, HC. GS Paper 3, Disaster Management. Source, www.thehindu.com web link. What are the observations made by HC over construction of houses in Delhi? The Delhi High Court has directed municipal bodies in the city and the DDA to ensure that no buildings in future are constructed in the national capital which are not Seismic Zone 4 compliant. The court observed that the municipal corporations have to work under the superintendence and control of Delhi government while formulating an action plan for making buildings Seismic Zone 4 compliant. With the above observation, the court directed the corporations to forward the action plan to Delhi government within 2 weeks. Seismic zones of India. The varying geology at different locations in the country implies that the likelihood of damaging earthquakes taking place at different locations is different. Thus, a seismic zone map is required to identify these regions. Based on the levels of intensities sustained during damaging past earthquakes, the 1970 version of the zone map subdivided India into 5 zones, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Parts of Himalayan boundary in the north and northeast, and the Kachch area in the west were classified as Zone V. The seismic zone maps are revised from time to time as more understanding is gained on the geology, the seism tectonics and the seismic activity in the country. The Indian standards provided the first seismic zone map in 1962, which was later revised in 1967 and again in 1970. The map has been revised again in 2002, and it now has only 4 seismic zones, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The areas falling in seismic zone I in the 1970 version of the map are merged with those of seismic zone II. Also, the seismic zone map in the peninsular region has been modified. This 2002 seismic zone map is not the final word on the seismic hazard of the country, and hence there can be no sense of complacency in this regard. The National Seismic Zone Map presents a large-scale view of the seismic zones in the country. Local variations in soil type and geology cannot be represented at that scale. Therefore, for important projects, such as a major dam or a nuclear power plant, the seismic hazard is evaluated specifically for that site. Also, for the purposes of urban planning, metropolitan areas are microzoned. Seismic microzonation accounts for local variations in geology, local soil profile, etc.